Hi, I'm Roben-Marie, and this is Salvaged, a Layered Pieces journal. Born from a need to take a creative respite from deadlines and expectations, I began to see my art shift, and a new journal was born. I call this journal DJ, Dictionary Journal. Not super original, but it works. Join me for field trips, in person and online. Shop with me for old books and vintage papers. I'll take you with me as I shop for these in flea markets and antique stores. We will journey from start to finish creating your own art journal, and you'll innovate your pages using the architecture of the journal. And once completed, we'll work through 4 pages together. Did somebody say bonuses? Transform your relationship with paper as I guide you through an in-depth, hands-on study of the architecture of an art journal. See you in the classroom. Visit robenmarie.com/salvaged.